Mystical Medicinals, they are in Arizona. I got plantain leaf, which draws toxicity from the body. Candelula flowers, which promote cell repair and growth. If you care at all about your health and you are tired, plantain, or no, passion flower. Oat straw. If you are tired, peppermint leaf, of getting prescribed medicines from your doctor, nettle leaf. And you're tired of feeding into meadowsweet, that crap that the doctors are telling us, and you're trying to go all natural and you're trying to heal your body the all natural way, Mystical Medicinals is a company, this is the type of company you need to look at, because you can buy dried herbs and you can make things at home to help your health and your body. With all of these packages, I'm going to be making tinctures. We're going to be making our own tinctures here and start taking them. The fun thing about Mystical Medicinals is when you order their herbs, the label tells you, here we have passion flower, reduces anxiety, improves sleep, relieves muscle tension, supports mood, and nourishes the nervous system. It gives you directions on how to make the tea with this. When making a tea, boil water and remove from heat. Add 1 tablespoon of herb per cup of water and steep 20 to 25 minutes. Strain and drink. Each one of these, it gives you the directions on the label, how to make the tea, and it also tells you exactly what this is for. Plantain leaf, did you know, draws toxicity from the body. It's a powerful wound healer. It's used to treat bug bites and stings, wounds, broken bones, bruises, hemorrhoids, skin ulcers, gastritis, diarrhea, abscesses, jaundice, itching, eye inflammation, toothache, etc. So, with these, if you do not know, you can use them and make a tea out of them and drink the tea. You can also use these to make a tincture in a dropper bottle, and you can place it under your tongue every morning or every whenever when you're having an issue. I specifically chose the ones that I wanted because I'm going to be making tinctures with these. Nettle leaf is a great anti-inflammatory. It's rich source of antioxidants, also great for the immune system. Very helpful in treating allergies. Oat straw, rich in vitamins and minerals and other essential nutrients that have been shown to promote overall health and wellness. It's a tonic for the nervous system. They give you the instructions right here to make the tea. They have a very large selection of different herbs. They're all fresh packed like this. I highly recommend them. I've been going down so many health rabbit holes lately to stay away from. I'm not a doctor person. Something has to absolutely be falling off for me to go see the doctor. I just don't do it, and I've always been that way. But I'm getting older, and things are maybe going to start happening to me, and I'm going to need help. And to be completely honest with you, I don't want to go to the doctor. I'm just not a doctor person. For no reason in particular, I'm just not. Meadowsweet relieves pain, anti-inflammatory, and calms the nervous system. Here we go. So there are ways to make tinctures with this. There are ways to make teas with this. There are different ways to get this inside of your body and to start healing yourself naturally and holistically. And I highly, highly recommend that you go that route. Again, Mystical Medicinals, you can absolutely find them at theretromom.com. Check out their very large selection of goodies that they have for you. And if you need help making tinctures, I'm going to be doing that soon on videos. Ask any questions that you have on this video. Please make sure to follow me for more, because we're going to be cooking things up and getting things going with my all natural herbs here, and I'm so excited about it.